Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. His life in Abakaliki. His life in Abakaliki, and he's here. You know, we all know his normal way, helping people, helping the less privileged. But today we appreciate the fact that he came all the way from Enugu to see us.
Okay.
So he's just here, the normal Okwuluora meet and greet.
Okay, so what mean of Okwuluora?
Okay, the meaning of Okwuluora, that's mouth of the people.
Okay.
Someone that speaks on behalf of the masses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time.
Next question. In which German city with your phone is the headquarters of Mercedes-Benz? Ebonyi, Germany, Canada, Mercedes-Benz. Which city? Stuttgart! In 1986, I want you to know how to find information. In 1986, FIFA Senior World Cup was held. FIFA, I'm telling you a story. In 1986, FIFA World Cup was held. Who hosted that FIFA World Cup and who won? 1986. How about World Cup in 1986? Find it from Google there. And if you fail, -3 points.
And guess who we have here? We have one and only Kenny Clever. Kenny Clever, why are you here?
Okay, I'm actually here because of Okwuluora. Okwuluora is hosting an event in Abakaliki here. So actually I was one of the people that was called out to come and perform. So I will be performing today for the event Okwuluora is hosting here today.
Tell me one song you are going to be singing for them.
Okay, I think I'm going to be performing my new song, Odo. And nobody, maybe Zone can come in as
nobody
well.
Nobody know.
Nobody as well.
Thank you very much.
Next question. In 1996, a city hosted the Olympics. And who won the gold medal football category? Which city hosted the Olympics in 1996? The football male category, who won in 1996?
Atlanta hosted it in 1996.
Who won? You are not sure. Who hosted?
Atlanta hosted in 1996.
Who won?
Argentina.
You are wrong, -1 point. Who hosted and who won?
It was Olympics.
Don't read the answer. Don't read. Don't stand up and read. Who hosted? Who hosted?
Atlanta.
Who won?
Nigeria.
Correct! Next question. There was, listen, an Igbo military man and politician, Agui Yironsi, Onyoma Yanada State, Ketubafia. Agui Yiro, you know the man, Agui Yironsi. Ask your food. Ketubafia. Thank you very much. Check their results. I call to Ozobo. What with him? Check their results. Can we know 250,000 now? Please. 3 students of FSU, 3 students of FUNAI, very fast. SUG, 3 students of FSU. No, SUG.
So number 1, contestant number 1 have 1 point.
1 point.
Number 2 has -2 points. Number 3 has 16 points.
Wow.
Number 4 has 3 points. Number 5 has 13 points. Number 6 has 0 points.
Okay, 2 of you remain others. Thank you very much. Let's have a grand finale now. Come here. Come together. Let's have a grand finale. Because in the EPSU na FUNAI, who do not remember in the next 2 minutes will cancel the category. Go back. And with leadership. Leadership means you working on one, but have your phone. Shit here. Give me space. Okay. One house, please.
Came for this program, this event that is happening live, where one of our illustrious called Okwuluora. He's a philanthropist known in the upper part of Igbo land.
Okay.
So he came to show his philanthropic gesture to the people of Ebonyi State, happening live in Abakaliki.
Go. Now, lastly, before I let you go, this is a program that has to do about skill acquisition. Now, what can you say to the people of Ebonyi State, the youth of Ebonyi that have no skills with them?
I must encourage them to embark on any meaningful venture that will thrive their life. As a youth, we need to have something doing. You must have something doing in order for you to be called a youth. These days, we are no longer dependent to our parents. You must have something meaningful that you are doing in order for you to triumph in whatever situation that may come. Because when you don't have money, it seems you are part of hellfire. So when you have something doing, that is when you have many opportunities. And during that opportunity, that is when you were able to conquer poverty, which is the major challenge we are having in this 21st century.
Okay. Now, do you have any skills as a youth?
I learned about KK pass, and I can equally repair if the material is available at that moment.
Okay.
But if I can't repair at that moment, I can direct the technician and they can fix it.
Who? Use your Google. Who will host? Can you get host to FIFA World Cup in 2026? When you get host here, use your phone. 2026 FIFA World Cup. When you get host here?
San Francisco by area.
Minus 2 points. 2026 FIFA World Cup. Chobia. Wait. He that got the first one, cause that's that.
Saudi Arabia.
2026 minus 2 points.
At Levy Stadium in Santa Clara.
Which country will host minus 2 points again? 2020. Wait, sit down, don't rush it. You have any attempt? 2026 FIFA World Cup. Give a mic. Give her a mic.
Argentina and Paraguay.
Minus 2 points. 20. Sit down, relax. Sit down, relax. You are rushing. She need to give her another phone. Find a phone. Who will host 2026 FIFA World Cup? Canada, US, and Mexico. Oh yeah. Is he not hanging now? He's not hanging again. Okay, next question. Relax. How many minus count on now? Minus 6. I said minus 6. Minus 6 points. Check your record. Next question. One house, please. Please. And we find out about gesture, sign language. Instead of me telling you to give me water, now. You are not relaxing. You lose what you call here. Relax. The only two. You give a wrong answer, you fail. Next question. Who will host FIFA Senior World Cup in 2030? 2030. FIFA World Cup 2030. Go on, host here. Which country? Oh, please. Please, this man. Stop. 2030. Give her.
Morocco, Spain, and Portugal.
Thank you very much. Plus 3 points. Morocco, Spain, and Portugal. Keep using your phone. What is the name? Keep your phone now. Keep it down. Keep it down for a while. What is the name of Abuja Airport? Abuja Airport. What is the name? Moshood. Minus 2 points. Remember, look at me. Abuja Airport. Look at me. Do you know? Don't deduct. Abuja, look at me. Don't look at anybody. Look, if you look at somebody, I'll deduct you. Abuja International Airport. Gaddafi. Don't look at anybody there. I will deduct you. What is the name of the Nigerian National Stadium in Abuja? What is the name? Old Trafford, Stamford Bridge. That airport, that football stadium in Abuja. Nigerian have got home matches.
Moshood.
3 points. Moshood Abiola Stadium, Abuja. Again, what is the name of Enugu International Airport? 3 points. Next question. For 250,000. Much, and I don't like it. Face down. If you raise your face, still not down. If you raise your face, minus 2 points. Susie, they not about too much. I don't know when you're there. Kigali is the capital of which African country? Kigali is the capital city of which African country? Maybe the cleanest country in Africa. Kigali. You want to try? Bring your face down. You want to try?
Rwanda.
Thank you! More questions. I determine your winner. Take your phone. Use your phone. Please. You might not be here, but you learn for another day. At some point during Nigeria-Biafra Civil War, Ojukwu had to leave. Ojukwu fled to Ivory Coast. A certain president of Ivory Coast welcomed him. Who was that president? May his soul rest in peace. Use your Google. Which Ivorian president received Ikemba? Chukwu Emeka Ojukwu, the warlord himself. Ebanuje War College. Number officer. Okaka and Nnewi. Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. May his soul rest in peace. Which president? Feliz, who said? Boy, correct. Three more questions. Okay. Are we following? Take out your phones. Let's go with that phone. One of the best musicians in this life. One of the best musicians in this life. She's currently struggling to be alive. She's fighting to be alive. My favorite musician. Every night in my dream, I see you. Celine Dion is from where? Which country? Where is she from? Celine Dion is from which country? Turn your face down. Celine Dion is from where? I'm not going to deduct. You can answer. You can try 3 times. Celine Dion is from... Look down. She's from Spain. No. Celine Dion is from where? No idea. Celine Dion is from where? Canada. Next question. Who won and became the governor of Enugu State in 1999? Governor of Enugu State in 1999. No, don't look there. Turn your face down, please. Be serious. Don't look at anybody. I'll try to make you to turn over. Governor of Enugu State in 1999. Any idea? Enugu State Governor 1999. Chimaro Kennamani. Next question. Who is Chinwo Kembadinuju late? Who is Chinwo Kembadinuju? Any idea? Chinwo Kembadinuju? Chinwo Kembadinuju? Who is Chinwo Kembadinuju? We are not reading. Okay. Super Eagles of Nigeria. They went to the World Cup for the first time in which year? Any idea? I'm not going to deduct. Which year? 1990, no. They went to the World Cup first time, which year? No deduction. You can try it 2 times. Nigeria went to the World Cup, Senior World Cup, first time in which year? They were closed in 1990.
1964.
1964, no. Which year? 1984. Sure. You're not sure. Which year?
1996.
No, there was no World Cup in 1996. Don't look there, please. You get it all to turn back, turn your back. Turn. I'm no influence ever. And I don't have support to your job. I'm going to catch it off me. Then the Jerusalem I'm no one about any aside. I want a million. I got in 1994 no catch it off me. I'm not saying Okwuluora Ndi Igbo then we come. Who don't man take our whole time? Then we have a lot of things to win. Next 2 questions now will determine the winner. Then Patience Jonathan, wife of Goodluck Azikiwe Jonathan, former president of Nigeria, is from which state? You want? She's from where? Bayelsa minus 2 points.
River State.
Correct, 3 points. One question, which is 2, and we are done. Mention any 3 countries in South American continent. Any 3 countries in South America. Give her a mic. 3 countries in South America.
Colombia.
1.
Brazil.
You're not going to give you all the time in the world. It's working now. Colombia, Brazil. 5 seconds. 1, 2. No, wrong. Minus 1 point. Susie, do you want to try? She doesn't want to try. Next question. Mention any 3 countries in North America. 3 countries in North America. Do you want to try? If you fail, minus 1. No idea. No idea. Okay, the last question. Maybe 2 more questions. Where is the capital city of China? Capital city of China. Any idea? 3 points. Capital city of China. Where you have Wuhan, Shanghai, Ningbo, Chengdu, Zhejiang. Capital city of China is where? Next question. Which American state is referred to as the Lone Star State? Which American state? Today is on the south of the nation. There is a state in America that doesn't joke with the Second Amendment. They buy gun like food. They are called the Lone Star State. Which state is that? Texas. The problem is that they cannot function with their food. Last question. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the king of independence, is from where? Which state? Nnamdi Azikiwe. Where?
Anambra State.
Onitsha, Anambra. Thank you. Give us the results. F2, 3, Funai 3, are you ready? And make a selection. Very fast. FUG. FUG, which school? FUG. It's just a money. Active students. Funai, come on, get your troops. Come, only them. Only them. And wait. Imana, only abuna graduate because he active students. You any prize you win, Nalogia. Come on, Bamo to Beba, you take Nalogia. Go and get you. F2 and Funai, only 6 people can handle a Babo. So, they will use this chair. Okay, add more.
All right.
Are you done? Okay, go ahead. Water.
All right, so all the results from this side, we're calling the total. She has 0.
0. Who?
Yes, she.
0.
0. Then from this side, we have 10.
10 points.
10.
So, carry on with the winner.
How about winner here?